Are you opening up your present from Grandma J?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Was it nice to see Grandma J today?
Yeah.
Who likes seeing Grandma J today?
Me.
Look, Owen's doing his Legos.
What about you?
Did you like seeing Grandma J today?
Yeah.
Emma,
Yeah.
you're giving a baby a bath over there. Did you like seeing Grandma J? Come and say hi.
Hi. Scooty. Daddy forgot.
Okay, say I love you.
I love you. Forgot this, Daddy. Daddy forgot this.
Okay, relax.
Thanks, Daddy.
Are you gonna go play right now, Pearly Bear?
Yes.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.